शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु श्रवणनयनजं वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा सकलं परस्मै
Namaste friends and viewers. So today I'm going to talk about the need of healing. Healing is a very interesting subject these days. It has always been, because healing is so natural to us. But somewhere in all these decades, we have started focusing too much on the external way of viewing the health. So today's topic would be devoted to understanding what is the healing and what is basically the need of healing as per Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the art of daily living in harmony with the laws of nature. It's an ancient natural wisdom of health and healing science, which can also be called as a science of life and health. According to Ayurveda, health is a perfect state of balance among the body's three fundamental energies or doshas, which are Vata, Pitta and Kapha, and equally a vital balance among mind, body and soul, which you can also call as consciousness. All the illnesses and disorders, in addition to the countless health issues that lead to the human sufferings, are due to the alterations of the body's inner ecology due to the transgressions in the laws of nature done by us. So that's why Ayurveda principally works by restoring the balance to facilitate healing. Internal external conditions of our lives change. It always changes. So if we need to be healthy and if we need to be in the balance, then it is very important that we maintain our lifestyle in a way so that the internal and the external balance or the equilibrium is always being maintained. Without this equilibrium, we are always going to be imbalanced in terms of our energetics, in terms of our elements and the doshas within our body. The good news in this regard is that our body is naturally and beautifully designed so that it has its own inherent natural intelligence and wisdom to maintain that balance. So in spite of whatever we do, how we live, in terms of the choices we make, what we eat, when we sleep, how we behave and adjust as per the seasons, our body keeps working on and on and on all the time, continuously, to create that balance which it needs. However, much depends on our conscious choices as well. Unless we don't make these conscious choices which our body is going to demand, if we are going to go out of balance, then of course we are going to feel imbalanced, and eventually we will get sickness and disorders. Thus, being healthy and healing ourselves is about the conscious living in the fullness of the present moment, and that's really a way of life. So Ayurveda is not a passive form of therapy, but ask each and every individual to take his or her own responsibility of their daily life and routines. Through our diet, our relationships, our work, our business or personal interactions, or day-to-day daily life struggles, basically as a whole, our daily life, I should say, either it balances or imbalances our internal energy. So Ayurveda helps us to live a lifestyle where healing is an uninterrupted process. Restoration and relaxation is an autonomous conscious process. Ayurveda helps us to take simple actions of prevention, and self-healing, wholeness and growth towards fulfillment are the ideal goals of the Ayurveda. Many health problems seem entwined with stresses of daily life, family relationships and the problems or worries of job and money, and others are directly related and connected to the lifestyle, unhealthy habits and eating wrong kind of foods, as well as inadequate physical workout or the exercise. We should not fall sick if we live and follow the classic ancient principles of Ayurveda. However, even if we fall sick, then I feel that illness provides us with an opportunity or invitation for self-transformation, to change our way of thinking, living, feeling, eating, and in general, caring for ourselves in our lives. Body knows how to heal. We just need to heal ourselves by providing that balanced ecology, by following the ancient principles of Ayurveda. We also need to develop the virtue of light and love, as love is the essence of life. We approach healing as a compulsive choice, whereas healing should be our conscious choice. Body knows how to heal. If we keep it in balance, if we keep it in order and much required equilibrium, as we talk about that in yoga and Ayurveda, we need more proactive approach to our life and health. We need healing. Most importantly, we need healing, and healing happens all the time as long as we provide those required balance that our body, mind and emotions need. So let's start healing ourselves and start loving ourselves. Namaste. For more such informative videos on yoga and Ayurveda, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification bell.